Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace windshield washer nozzle Jeep Patriot full guide. Park on level ground, open the hood, and disconnect the battery to prevent accidental pump activation. Locate the nozzle on the hood and trace the spray line to the pump. Gather tools, remove clips, and replace the nozzle. Test the spray pattern before closing the hood and reconnect the battery properly when finished. You will need a flathead screwdriver, needle nose pliers, replacement nozzle, and a towel to catch fluid. Start by shaking out debris and inspecting hoses for cracks. Wear gloves and eye protection throughout. Use gentle pressure to remove the old nozzle and avoid pulling on fragile hoses. Keep small clips in a container so they don't get lost. Finally, verify hose alignment and snug fittings and seals before testing spray function. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite makes reading manuals and car guides easy with a glare-free display and long battery life. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, check the description for the Kindle link and other deals if you want one. It fits neatly in a glove box and is perfect for waiting at appointments. Now let's get back to the video. Start by removing the plastic trim or clips holding the washer line in place. Disconnect the hose from the nozzle by pressing the retaining clip and pulling straight. Insert the new nozzle into the hood, align spray direction, and secure the clip. Reconnect the hose firmly and route it as originally positioned to avoid kinks. Reconnect the battery, run the washer pump, and adjust the spray angle precisely if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.